Prophet Owusu Bempah, there is a realm that God is taking you away from. The example I can give is like a snake peeling off the old skin into forming a new one. Or these two organizations that you need to wisely distance yourself from. I'm talking about the political organizations. There is a place God is bringing you more stronger and better. But there is a skin that have to be peeled from you. And that skin is the skin of political color. Those are the words I'm hearing. Stay away from these two great political organizations, NDC and MPP.
Abusia Apostle Chris Levite Jawonu the prophecy ni akwabonten na the prophecy ni nyina efa Reverend Owusu Bempah ho na wo kire se nyame ese won kanche Reverend Owusu Bempah se wakwakofa honam bi e de ahye ne honam ho na ansa na obehu nyame no nyam e wo na brabom agye se san honam na wo de ahye ya eye political skin no wo ro e de to ho mama akwaba e de about too much G8 no maso so first time ni a obemi subscriber to me no so dia mama ya kai se wo de be oni be kan ho se ne be na upload ni so when the first person there was sabedi kan akabebusuam say your body ra ensem nim dia say obepie mu e wo man Ghana mu na ye ka adifo na say ye ka fathers of the land a untimi enka na wunja Reverend Owusu Bempah edin enwu several times na wono akasa aka e wo na asori dem wo say ye ba no man Ghana mu na say ye ba besi mampani a nipa oba be mampani ne so wono Reverend Owusu Bempah ne nsa enka wu bia enya ade say sa nipa kro no wo betimi aba be Ghana mampani amana ye na me no e ka say Apostle Chris Levite Eden Komshebi Akko Ediama Reverend Owusu Bempah na wo kire se Nyankopon se won kan kire Reverend Owusu Bempah se sa political skin na wahye na waya ne ho se wo ye amanyofo difo na enu ntini Komshebi e beba bia no kodiama amanyofo no won hwe ye anya sa de nyame pese wo ye won abrabo mu enya ade se betimi abam yenkotie apostle na yemra.
When it comes to prophetic delivery, I am not the decider of the way to be delivered. You can also not decide how it should be delivered. You can express wisdom, but in the delivery of prophetic messages, it is not about your wisdom or what to think or feel. It's about how God wants you to deliver it. Whether people like it, they don't like it, you deliver it as God wants you to deliver it. Prophet Owusu Bempah, there is a realm that God is taking you away from into another place. The example I can give is like a snake peeling off the old skin into forming a new one. And there are reasons why snake does that. Prophet Owusu Bempah, there is a realm God is taking you away from. And I'm saying it in the public because it's going to happen in the public domain. If you have not heard it already from God, then the Lord said I should tell you. There is a realm is about to take you to in your operations and office. And in these two people or these two organizations that you need to wisely distance yourself from. Prophet Owusu Bempah, I'm talking about the political organizations. There is a place God is bringing you more stronger and better, but there is a skin that have to be peeled from you, and that skin is the skin of political color. I'm not saying you are doing politics. Me, what I'm saying is what I'm telling you, as the Lord revealed. That skin have to be peeled away from you. That means that you are entering into a season that you need to distance yourself from these great political parties, because God is about to make you a neutral judge. God is about to make you a neutral judge of prophetic things in this nation. Prophet Owusu Bempah, and this will be clear and manifesting in your life as the Lord is showing me and telling me that you should wisely stay away. Those are the words I'm hearing. Stay away from these two great political organizations, NDC and MPP, because he's bringing you among the prophets or the prophetics, that is bringing you into a new place, and is going to make you a judge in the prophetic realm. Or we say a judge in the prophetic realm. It means that God is bringing the prophet Owusu Bempah into the state of knowing this and that from God or not from God, and it's going to be so clear that there will not be witch hunting. For what I'm saying, that you will not witch hunt anybody, that you become like a prophetic judge. That is the realm God is bringing this man, the prophet Owusu Bempah. But I see that he was being carried and there was skin peeled from him, and I saw political colors, and he said, peeling him from political colors or political organization, bringing him into this new place of office that God is calling him into. Now the Lord asked me to put it in the public because I'm just seeing it right now, because within a short possible time into a long term, you are going to see Owusu Bempah, prophet Owusu Bempah, not engaging in political issues, and it is because this is what God is doing with his life, in order to deal with the misconception of people thinking that Nijedu, listen, that Nijedu, the prophet Owusu Bempah Nijedu, and that is not it at all. It is because God is working a work and to bring him into a particular state of the prophetic. I met Owusu Bempah for many years ago during the first term of Nanado. I could just walk into his office and deliver the message. I know his house, but that's not the instruction I received. I received that I should say it on the live broadcast, because it's going to happen in the public domain. So my brother Owusu Bempah, I'm not trying to say anything about you negatively. That is what the Lord, you understand prophetic things, so you understand what I'm doing. So I pray that the grace of the Father will see you through this, so that this counsel of God concerning you will come to pass, that our nation will stand tall in the things of the prophetic. May the grace of our Lord Jesus Christ help you and protect you until this is my
Apostle Chris ne nkomhye ya wo de ekọ amarere na Owusu Bempah no na yakwa koti e de abanane Ghana for chese we no enhye da enya omo fi se Reverend Owusu Bempah na sofude ni nyina no ni nyina akwakwa political prophecy nko a na wo hye na so bi so chese Reverend Owusu Bempah eba edinji a waje eba empeja wonya entinu sa abre empeja be mbim na akana wonya na nso busunya wo bi fo ne nyame no na wo bi enyina ho ne apostle eche se nyame ada na didi ama no eno ena wode ababesu ya ne Ghana fo nso ekafa ho no ebi ena mede ababesu mu ya mesre se ne wo nso wadwen esikyerɛw edefa enkomhye ya apostle de ababoto abonten edefa Reverend Owusu Bempah ho no obeja ne nyina ewo comment section ho ede amame na afi all the social media handles no so too much gh mesre se all subscribe no like no wa share na fofo nso enye bi ahwemidin ede dark gold ebesenhia.